Today we will solve correlation problems. Okay, take down problem number 1. Compute the coefficient of correlation and the equation of the lines of regression for the data. Okay, construct a table here. X, Y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Using this data, we are going to find the coefficient of correlation and also lines of regression. Okay, Y is 9, 8, 10, 12, 11, 13, 14. Okay. In this problem, we need to find the coefficient of correlation. Coefficient of correlation formula R is equal to sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma x minus y square whole divided by 2 into sigma x into sigma y. 2 into sigma x into sigma y. Okay, then and also sigma x is what here? Sigma square. Here sigma square x formula is summation of x square divided by n minus x bar. Okay. The sigma y square formula is summation of y square divided by n minus y bar. Sigma z square is equal to summation of z square by n minus z bar o square. Okay, sigma y square is equal to summation of y square by n minus y bar o square. Sigma x square is equal to summation of x square by n minus x bar o square. Okay, and observe here, in this we need to find x bar, y bar and z bar. Okay, x bar is equal to summation of x by n, y bar is equal to summation of y by n, z bar is equal to summation of z by n. Okay. Then first we have to construct a table here. We have to prepare the table. Okay, column wise table we have to prepare. Okay, we have to prepare the table x column table showing the column of columns of x comma y comma z, x square comma y square comma z square, where z is equal to x minus y. Okay, where z is equal to x minus y. Okay, then construct the table here. Write down here x values here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, observe here summation of summation of x we need to find. Okay, how to find the summation of x? We have to add all the x term. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Okay, means summation of x bar is equal to 28. Summation of x is equal to 28. Okay, x bar we need to find x bar. Then similarly we need to find the summation of y. Okay, we need to find the summation of y. Write down here y is 9, 8, 10, 12, 11, 13, 14. Means summation of y. Add it here. 9 plus 8, 8 plus 10, 10 plus 12, 12 plus 11, 11 plus 13, 13 plus 14. Add it. Okay, you will get it 77. You will get it 77. Okay. Then y. Then we need to find, observe the formula again here. Z, summation of z we need to find. Okay, summation of z. Here z value is not given. Means z is nothing but x minus y. X minus y means 1 minus 9. It's 1 minus 9 is minus 8. 2 minus 8 is minus 6. 3 minus 10 is minus 7. Okay, 4 minus 12 is 8, minus 8. 5 minus 11 is 6, minus 6. And 6 minus 13 is minus 7. And 7 minus 14 is minus 7. Okay. The next summation of z. Add it here. Minus 8 plus minus 6 plus minus 7 plus minus 8 plus minus 6 plus minus 7 plus minus 7. Add it. Okay, you will get it minus 49. You will get it minus 49. Okay. Then and observe the formula here. Here we need to find the x summation of x square. Okay, and also summation of y square and summation of y square z square. Okay, here we need to find summation of x square. Means write down here x square. 1 square is what here? 1. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. And 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. Then 7 square is 49. And added this is 1. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 36 plus 41. Okay, add it. Summation of x square is equal to 140. Summation of x square is equal to 140. Okay. Then similarly we need to find the summation of y square. Okay, summation of y square we need to find. Here y square is equal to, y term is what here? 9. 9 square is 81. 8 square is 64. 10 square is 100. And 12 square is 144 and 13 square is 169. 14 square is here 196. Okay, then 9 square is 81, 8 square is 64, 10 square is 100, 12 square is 144, then 11 square I missed here, 11 square is 121, 30 square is 169, 14 square is 196. Add it here, 91 plus 64 plus 100 plus 144 plus 121 plus 196, 169 plus 196, 196. Okay, then what will get added? We'll get it 85. Summation of y square is 85. Means summation of y square is here 875. Okay. Then next, z square. Okay, here minus 8 square is 64, minus 6 4 square is 36, minus 7 o square is 49. Then next, minus 8 o square is 64, minus 6 o square is 36. Then minus 7 o square is 49. Then again summation of the minus 7 o square is equal to 49. Then find out summation of z square. Add it here. Summation of z square is equal to 64 plus 36 plus 49 plus 64 plus 36 plus 49 plus 49. Okay, summation of z square is 347. 347. Then next we need to find the x bar. Okay, we need to find the x bar. Here x bar is equal to summation of x by n. Summation of x is what? 140. N is number of elements present in a table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, 7 ones are, 7 twos are. Means 7 20s are 140. Okay, x bar is 140. Then similarly find out y bar. Y bar is here 77 divided by 7. Okay, 77 divided by 77 is 7 ones are, 7 11s are. So 11. Then summation of z square. Summation of z bar is equal to summation of z square. Z bar is equal to summation of z by n. Summation of z is what here? Minus 49 by 7. We are getting 7 ones are minus 7, 47, 7 into 7, 49, 49 means z bar is equal to minus 7. Z bar is equal to minus 7. Okay. Then find out sigma square. Okay, next here We need to find next is we need to find sigma x square. Sigma x square is nothing but summation of x square by n minus y bar whole square. Sigma x is summation of x square divided by x minus x bar whole square, and summation of x square is just now we found. No, what is the summation of x square? Okay, summation of x square is okay, sigma x square by x, summation of x square by n minus x bar whole square. Just now we found summation of x square. Summation of x square is here, observe here 140. Summation of x square is 140. Okay. Okay, then here x square, summation of x square is here. Summation of x square is 140. Now summation of x square is 140 divided by n is 7 minus x bar whole square. X bar whole square is here 4. Okay. Then 4 whole square. Simplify here. 140 minus 7 into 16. The minus 16 means 140 divided by 7 minus 4 whole square is equal to 140 by 7. Then next is sigma y square. Find out summation of y square minus y bar, summation of y square by n minus y bar whole square. The next summation of y is what here? Summation of y. Summation of y. Summation of y square is here 77 by 7 minus y bar is here 11 whole square. Simplify. Okay, what is the answer here? Sigma x, sigma y is here. Sigma x is 4. Sigma x square is here 7 1s are 7 11s are 11 7s are. Okay, then simplify here. Okay, sigma y square is, the summation of y square is what? Summation of y square is 875. Summation of x square is 875 by 7 minus 11 on 4 square. Simplify, you will get it 4. Simplify, you will get it 4. Sigma of y square is equal to 4. Okay. Similarly, find out here sigma z square is equal to summation of sigma x, sigma of z square is equal to summation of z square by n minus z bar o square. Okay, summation of z square is what here? Summation of z square is 347 divided by 7 minus z bar is minus 7 whole square. Okay, use the calculator, simplify. Sigma z square is equal to 0.0507. 0.507. Okay. The next R is equal to formula. Write down coefficient of correlation formula. R is equal to sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma x minus y. Okay, whole square whole divided by whole divided by whole divided by whole divided by 2 into sigma x into sigma y. Okay, here sigma x square value. Here sigma x square value is what here? Sigma x square value is 4. Okay, sigma x square is 4 and sigma y is also 4 and sigma of x minus y. Sigma of x is x minus y. Okay, 0.507. Okay, whole divided by 2 into square root of x into square root of 4. Okay, means here sigma x is root 4 and sigma y is 4 plus minus 0.57, 2 into square root of 4 into square root of 4. Use the calculator, simplify, you will get it 0.952875. Okay, then the sigma x square is 4, sigma y square is 4 minus sigma z square is 0.57 divided by 2 into 2 into sigma x into sigma y 2 and sigma x is 4, sigma square is then sigma x is a square root of 4 and sigma y is a square root of 4. Then simplify, you get it 0.28. Here 0.28 0.2875. Okay, 0.928 0.9287 means here 0.93. Okay, take the accuracy and keep it the answer 0.93. Then here R is equal to 0.93. Then next we need to find lines of regression. Okay, lines of we have two types of lines of regression. Lines of regression are given by y minus y bar is equal to r into del by del y divided by del y minus y bar is equal to r into sigma. Okay, once again I will write here y minus y bar is equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar into x minus x bar. Okay, and similarly one more regression line, x minus x bar is equal to r into sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar. Okay, then just now we found the y bar value, substitute here y minus 11, r is 0.93 and sigma y is what here? Sigma y is here 4, then sigma x is what here? It is also 4 okay, into here x minus x bar is here x bar is 4, x bar is 4. Then simplify here, 4 gets cancelled, y minus 11 is equal to y minus 11 is equal to 0.93 x minus 4. Okay, then simplify here, y is equal to 0.93 x, then plus 7.28 and 0.28. Then similarly you find out x regression line, x minus x bar into r is equal to r into sigma x by sigma y, y minus y bar. X minus x bar, okay, here x bar is what? Minus 4, r value we don't know, and sigma x is what here? Sigma x is square root of 4. Similarly, sigma y is also square root of 4. X minus 4 is equal to r into square root of 4. Sigma y is also square root of 4, y minus y bar. Y bar is what here? 11. Okay, means here square, and r is 0.93. Here square root of 4 gets cancelled. Y minus 11, x minus. Okay, simplify, you will get it. X is equal to 0.93 y minus 6.23. 0.93 y minus 6.23. Okay, this is the lines of regression. Okay, these two are y is equal to, then x is equal to. This is the required answer.